I'm making waffles.
We are gonna start this blessed day with some protein waffles, a protein shake, and a little bit of coffee.
Raindrops keep falling on my head.
Getting a sick pump, because I believe in the sick pump on gloomy days. Yes, I do. One of the great things about coming to the gym on a rainy day is that nobody's here. I'm convinced people are witches and they melt in water. The workout itself is going to be pretty straightforward. We're gonna do 6 exercises back to back to back without any rest in between the movements, and then at the end take like a 1 or 2 minute rest period before doing the round again. It is going to be a circuit style workout, hitting all the major muscle groups of the body, and we're gonna do 10 reps in each exercise. Starting with the incline bench press for the upper chest, the shoulders. And we're gonna superset this movement with a shoulder exercise, and doing them back to back really helps develop those round calf shoulders and that upper chest. That makes your body broad. Some Arnold presses. I know there's controversy of whether or not they're an effective exercise, but anytime I do them, I always see my shoulders are more round and capped and strong. We're gonna superset that movement with some biceps. We're gonna do alternating bicep curls. And I feel like the rest in between each rep really does matter. At this point, my heart's pumping. I'm already starting to build up a sweat. And that's the goal. Houston, we're pumped for building strong triceps. Here's the overhead right press. Shoot. Woo! Now, I'm not doing an exercise for my back today because my back gets fatigued so easily and I barely need to do any volume. Could just be me. But that's usually why I kind of switch to a full body, because push-pull legs, when I do leg day, my back is fried from the pull day and I usually tweak it. So I stopped doing that. So crunches. simple with a dumbbell static lunge. Okay. All right. 6 exercises back to back. The idea is to get that cardiovascular system activated, get your heart pumping, and your muscles full of blood. Rest for 2 minutes after doing 1 round, then do it all again for 6 rounds. Simple enough. 6 rounds completed. Look at all this sweat. Bow, chicka, bow, wow. What's cooking, good looking? And that's a wrap. Get it? A wrap? Check these out. I decided to try to cook it. 120 calories per 3 cups. Come on.